Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're going to play with the hobao again today. The condition seems pretty good after I plow to try the paddle some more. So yeah, let's do that. I'm going to take a second, guys, and talk about what pack we got in there today. We are running another Turnigy pack that Hobby King has sent us. It is the Bolt X pack this time. I'll throw a shot of that up on the screen. These packs are also really great. They don't last as long runtime because they are less maw. But yeah, if you guys want one, I'll leave the link to this specific battery down below. And as always, you can use my name, WAYNE, on hobbyking.com as 5% off at checkout for life. Yeah. All right, let's get back to it. Oops. Oops. Good thing that wing's made out of TPU. It's dirty. Well, guys, doing pretty good. It already starts to feel like it's getting a little flat. These packs, like I said, are not quite as good on runtime. They're 5400 mAh, but they're very powerful and reliable. Haven't had any issues with them whatsoever. They've been hanging in there good. Yeah, there's not much to do with these other than kind of just straight rips. But this is about the best condition for these paddles. Maybe sand, but it does like to get bellied. Okay, let's rip some more till we can. Nope, that's it. LVC. Funny is it's not even giving me a beep.
No beeps for you.
No beeps. But there's steam, so you can tell it's warm. See the windows fogged up? Like the Titanic, yeah. I would say this is a little bit more reliable than the Titanic.
Yeah, agreed.
Motor's fine. ESC is fine. Not fan running. Fan's not running though, which is really odd. Let's see if we can drive it back at least. Well, guys, she's a great machine. Oh, and that was it. Okay. We'll just, it's not that heavy. We'll just have to carry it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed, paddle tire rips. It was short-lived. But with these high draw, full power, straight run kind of things, it is what it is. You're gonna drain the pack pretty quick anyway, so yeah. I guess just like Forrest Gump, that's all I got to say about that. Later.